President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta.
Umuthi ni birthday ya mutongoria wa bururi.
Oh yes.
Mweri 26 wa October.
Yes.
Is his birthday.
Yeah.
He turns 60.
60. Oh yes. And he's quite strong for a 60-year-old.
Ando marika make. Na huko dojo cia icagire.
Yes.
Anyway, happy birthday mutongoria wa bururi.
You are 1960?
61.
You know what? You can have a more. I just remember. Yes.
He is 60.
60. Na nimwite guka. Mugathere nimwite guka already.
Nimwite guka.
Yes. Ni kirathimo kuna. And we wish him all the best. He's our president. Na wira uria kirutite ri. Of course is heroic. Yani.
Wira uria rutite at that age ri.
Yes.
Ti andu aingi mahota gukorwo maachivite at that age maundu maria achivite.
Neguo. No, that is very correct. He's at the helm of his achievements. So to the president, what else do you become?
Na to tuika president no atuika president no ugasavuta muigiri.
Yes. Ugathuru ringi. Yes. So it's a serious achievement, and we can only wish the best for our president. And to ginyagia mathaa maya hi mugathe aya ukorwo ihi ni amukirite
makiri na makiri
no mundu ngikimuna amukinyiria ta JKA
ni amwira happy birthday.
Oh yes. Ito to ni amukirite nginya ndumiriri cia kimabururi. Yes. And speaking of birthdays, ni kwenda birthday ya mugathe na citu. Yes. You see one, nyodo wa obvious reasons. Don't give mugathe His Excellency at a surprise.
Asa. No.
No, you cannot surprise the president.
How?
You cannot.
Who are you?
I don't even think it is legal.
To surprise mugathe.
The momu here na mai.
Mahena baketi.
President is to kwa jado makenaga muno. Mere to makuo hie. Hari aguo Arctic. Mwidai. Nimoku. Nidi magari. Mutinda na thimu. We. No ramusubaithia. Igathuba murehe. Utwena wengeti tuithe. Tuithe. Kayo kithia mokandiro mundu ahenagio na biashara mokandiro yake
ya biashara
ugakumburwo mai ake mundu ria gukonie ri niakwa gukuire nguo extra ugacenjia riu goko kahurirwo ruhi. You cannot do that with the president.
You can't.
Birthday ya president korago a program na mitaratara ni wikaine ndungimuza kwaje riu muhure president mai
you see on hembe yake kijaga.
Yes.
You don't do about takuhura mundu na mai.
Exactly. Na kwa ndo matuika very offended. Taire tumehoma horia ithe na mai ndakenire.
Mundu akiria miaka bote kwamba tari
Una mundu ni mingi na to 7 ni heu. Actually, it is even very difficult to surprise a 40-year-old. No, mugerie ko to surprise. Mweko nenyo mwe surprise. Moya taira atiki moigwe ndi Eldoret.
Kana ni uthira kundu waremwo ni gucoka.
Yes. Nikiona mbogi yakwa ri ni undu wa gukorwo mena maruni na meciria maingiri. No ureigua mwanjira atiri no cio tutikire hari atiki. Muria karege kuri birthday yaku sorry tiwe tuna maundu maingi muno ma gwiciria no reigua mundu atibura kakara
he mundu uri thiuka atekumenya.
Yes. Actually at our age ona nitumenyaga he undu tubangiirwo. We just play by the script.
Ni ukoragwo githoma behavior ya andu.
Yes.
Ni amiario.
Ndio.
Ukamenya heka undu karabango.
Heka undu gabange. No riu nawe ugetua ni wa maka muno. Andu effort cio itikoneketwo ciorira ki.
You act to impress them.
Yes. Na lo meto que tutige imo cio no. Ai to no asa surprise uge o ga haya. Ola kwe mundu ke surprise me yake thia agite. Mama surprise ugwa mwire ni ngumutigo haha.
Reka undu ngwenda kuguthuka.
Ndakena mundu ko ndirikana riu ni ngutengera nengo thina hoguo na ikuru ni na ifata riu thinjirwo iguku mugatigo mugi celebrate ni
mugeni wagite waumagare.
Yes. Actually surprise birthday cianjiria ha 21 ri tonto cianjagia ri by the time you are 33 34 maundu mau riu matuika you see again it is repetitive no ke surprise mundu maita mere matatu kirumaniririo. They will know.
Maximum ni matatu. Wathi muno mana.
Yes. Ona ikundi cio kora andu manyitanite kiamari. Meka surprise icio. Mathiururuka ri. Uhoro cio gakatia.
Ugathira.
Ugathira riu mucemanagia casually. Na ona mutirana happy birthday ra mundu no urakura. Naikirie forth bro. I'm telling you.
Surprise mugathe.
Te mugathe mu surprise ala fatu mwari kia muna nebi. Na mugabo yenye muyetia. Mwakagia kikinya mwiraba. Okay, surprise mugathe maundu make ni mitaratara mivange. Yes.
Munane biro.
Anyway, happy birthday, Kenya One. We celebrate you and your visionary and able leadership.
Happy birthday.
God bless you.
Mathaa ukimenyithio ni Dhahabu Lands Limited. Tisha 50 by 100 iria cirekodwo developed na kuhoreru mwena wa Nanyuki.